Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. Go.
Yak is in bed, but he has to get up. Yak has to get yams. What can Yak do? Can Yak get big bad yams? Yes, she can get lost and lost. Yak can sit his yam in a bag. His red bag can hold lots. Yak can eat 10 yams in his bag. His bag is full. Yams, yum. Yak has his yams. She has lots and lots. Yum, yums, yum, yum, yum.
Very good.